Today I am going to show you some home remedies for cough. Constant cough is irritable and need to be looked into. Cough is itchy and irritable. It makes you fatigue and weakens your immune system. Take a glass of hot milk and add 1 tablespoon of honey and mix it well. This gives great relief to cough. Second home remedy for cough. Take some hot water. Add some tea leaves in boiling water. Now filter this black tea into a cup. Now take honey and lemon juice. Let's start the preparation. Take a cup of black tea. Add 2 tablespoons of honey and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix it well. This black tea along with honey and lemon gives great relief to cough. Third home remedy for cough. For this we need apple cider vinegar and warm water. Let's start the preparation. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in warm water. Mix it well. Take this 2 to 3 times in a day. You get relief by taking this. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.